Type text and choose font. Hold Shift and increase the size of the text. Select text, click on Contour tool, contour outside, one step, about 4 millimeters offset. Click on rounded corners. Right-click on contour text. Break contour group apart. Select same inner text. Click on Contour tool, contour outside, one step, about 3 millimeters offset. Break contour group apart. Make a copy of this text. Select Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle. Fill black color. Press Shift page down to send it back. Select both. Select text. Hold Shift and select rectangle. Click on back minus front on. Go to bitmap. Convert to bitmap, press OK. Go to bitmap, blur, Gaussian blur. Enter particular value, press OK. Right-click on this object, power clip inside. Click on orange text to power clip. Change the color to white. Change the color of outer text. Select the top one. Click on Interactive Fill. Then click on Postscript Fill option. Choose Required Pattern, press OK. Change the color of this text. Select the postscript fill text. Hold Shift and select purple color text, press and C.